What's the nature of science and technology? Breakthrough, we believe. Breakthroughs bring changes and make new possibilities. Like here. Every change in intelligentization is a significant breakthrough. It is the capability of making continual breakthrough that makes YIZUMI Robotic System Division the vigorous force in the industry. What engenders such a force? Let's find out the answer by learning about YIZUMI Group first. The story of YIZUMI started from 2002. In a dozen years, YIZUMI has made enormous progress and set up 5 divisions: robotic automation, injection molding machine, die casting machine, rubber injection machine, and high-speed packaging system. We have 3 production bases in Rongwei, Wusha, and Wujiang, with a total land coverage over 200,000 square meters. And we have set up several technical service centers around the world. In 2011, YIZUMI acquired HPM Company in US and began dual brand operation. In 2015, YIZUMI successfully launched IPO on Chinext, which was a milestone in YIZUMI's history of development. To realize our global operation strategy, we have planned to set up R&D center in Germany and production bases in emerging countries, such as India, in the near future. Looking back at our development history of more than a decade, we can easily find that the spirit of breakthrough is the original gene that promotes the growth of YIZUMI. And YIZUMI Robotic System Division completely inherits that gene from its parent company. Through continual technical breakthroughs, YIZUMI Robotic Systems have won the recognition for a lot of local and overseas customers. Our machines can work with 6-axis industrial robots to grip parts with runner diameter up to 170 millimeters and run the complete automation processes, including part removal, checking, cooling, trimming, engraving, marking, transporting, and sacking. Our systems adopt advanced technology of release agent vaporization and precise control of spraying system to achieve a considerable increase in spraying speed. Electrostatic spraying technology makes the release agent adherence rate rise to 70 to 80%. That extends the mold life. A single robot can handle loading and unloading for multiple machining centers, which greatly improves production efficiency. Behind those breakthroughs is YIZUMI's strong R&D team that consists of experts dedicated to robotic automation for over a decade. In addition, thanks to our 10+ years of experience in serving world-renowned automakers like Toyota and Honda, we have always been at the forefront of automatic production of auto parts. Today, YIZUMI Robotic Automation System Division has 9 product lines. They are widely used in die casting spraying, part removal and insertion, post-processing cleaning, foundry, forging, automation of plastic and rubber industries, metal cutting, and other areas. Our customers include Chongqing FAW, Guangdong Hongfu, Millison, JMC, and other well-known companies. We also bring our high-quality products to more places in the world. We have built long-term cooperative relations with many world-leading intelligent equipment manufacturers, including Fanuc, ABB, and KUKA. Oriented by customer needs, we develop a range of intelligent robotic products and systems and realize intelligent production. Production will be more efficient and safer. Product quality will become stable. Because of our efforts, we've been granted with a lot of honors, including China Annual Excellent Intelligent Manufacturing Model Solution Award 2015. Yet what we can do is more than those. The spirit of breakthrough is also embodied in our service work. In 2012, we established a brand new YFO service system. Upon request, our service engineer can arrive at customer site within 24 hours. 90% of machine problems can be eliminated in one-time troubleshooting. 95% of spare parts can be delivered to the customer on the same day. It is the ever-improving products and services that enable YIZUMI to gain trust and support from a large number of customers. There is no doubt that intelligent manufacturing now represents the general trend in China and global equipment manufacturing industry as well. We will remain a pioneer in the industry. YIZUMI is determined to become a world-class company in robotic automation industry.